Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. They should basically disappear after resetting. So all we have to do right now is to simply swipe our finger from the right to the center, just like that, to open the settings. Then let's scroll down and tap on Restore Defaults. Let's confirm it with tapping on OK. And OK, deny. As you can see, we do not have the green lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.